Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Lumi Glutathione. Start by checking the product label for the recommended daily dosage, which is typically 1 to 2 capsules. It's best to take your dose with a meal to help with absorption and minimize any potential stomach upset. Remember, consistency is crucial, so try to take it at the same time each day to establish a routine and maximize its effectiveness over time. For optimal absorption, many find it beneficial to take Lumi Glutathione either in the morning with breakfast or in the evening with dinner. While generally safe, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional if you are taking other medications or supplements to avoid any potential interactions. Also, ensure you drink plenty of water throughout the day, as good hydration supports overall cellular function and the benefits of glutathione. Proper storage is important to maintain the potency of your Lumi Glutathione. Always keep the bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Make sure it's stored safely out of the reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any pre-existing medical conditions, it is always recommended to speak with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. When taking Lumi Glutathione, understand that results are not always immediate. Many individuals begin to notice benefits after several weeks of consistent use, but individual experiences can vary. Factors like diet, lifestyle, and overall health play a significant role. For the best outcomes, continue to maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and incorporate regular physical activity into your routine alongside your supplement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.